Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce the name of this absolutely stunning and beautiful Italian island. In Italian, this is pronounced Sardegna, 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 Sardegna. So of course in English this would be Sardinia, but in Italian, if you're speaking Italian, you would say Sardegna. Note that the R is lightly trilled, not too much. GN is a N sound, Sardegna, and the E in the middle for advanced learners is closed. Although then again, there are plenty of Italians that will pronounce it open, so at the end of the day, unless you're into diction per se, either way will be perfectly understood. Sardegna or Sardegna. Have you ever been? Thank you for watching Accent Master. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.